Good video, happy 4th of my niggas. Oh my god. Right out here. Yeah, it's recorded right here. Good enough. Yeah, I got that really good zoom. Right there, good. I'm not gonna fix it.
Oh, you see it? Video camera, yeah.
That's not the best views. Stand here and record this until it's over. I can stand here and...
It's so obvious. Way too obvious.
It's probably 2-3 minutes of recording right here, but that's okay. Yeah, I know it's not over. Just give me some time before it comes. I'm not gonna pause. There's a good network here, so it's better. I know it's right. Oh yeah, the people can see that. I am right below that. That's so great. Alright. Should have shimmed my pants actually, because these shorts are falling off. That's not the best view, but I'm trying to get I'm not going all the way over there just to see this. It's nice, but you got partial trees. Trees are not blocking the view. First, I'm trying to get up there. There you go, up here is better. Just more clear when I'm not looking. Whatever. Okay, switch hands quickly. Get a better view. It's going. Oh god, I'm legit aiming terrible now. No, get that out of here. Oh, that's better. What's my view? This is the longest recording. I've had the 2-minute ones, a minute one. I'm not gonna be a star. I look fine. I'm restored to God. It's a lot of shakiness in the moves. I'm gonna use the whole move phone to this long. So shit. I gotta use my phone. I wonder if the case is doing something. That's a little blurry. I wonder if the case is doing something. The case is more.